If you prefer watching short Turkish series, then I'll be recommending 5 short Turkish series which you must binge watch this month. So the first one is Kish Guneshi. It's a revenge Turkish series and the story revolves around Efe, who wants to take a revenge of his father death as well as his twin brother Mete death. So Efe changes his identity and pretends to be Mete so that he can get to know that who was the one behind the killing of his father and brother. On other hand, Nisan, who is wife of Mete, she'll end up falling in love with Efe. How? For that you have to watch it, so you'll enjoy watching their chemistry. Also, this series will keep you hooked with suspense and lot of twists and turns, so you must binge watch this one. Second one is Dayan Yurim. It's a story of Elvan, who is a strong independent woman, but her life completely changes when her son Selim gets into a major car accident and gets paralyzed because of this. On other hand, her daughter Seray falls in love with Atif, who belongs to a very rich family, and he's the one who caused the accident of Selim. So that is the actual twist of this series. So overall, this series is very emotional and you'll enjoy watching the chemistry between Atif and Seray. They look so good together. So the third one is Ya Çok Seversen. It's a short rom-com Turkish series and the story revolves around Atish and Leila. Atish is a rich playboy and he had a very difficult childhood. On other hand, Leila is a con artist who marries men but leaves them on the wedding night after stealing their money. And if I talk about the storyline, so Atish is forced to become a guardian of his step siblings. On other hand, Leila becomes nanny of step sibling of Atish. How? For that you have to watch this series. So in that period, they both end up falling in love with each other. So it has comedy, romance, and you'll enjoy watching this one. Fourth one is Jemeri. It's a beautiful and emotional love story of Ayaz and Firuze. So Ayaz gets separated from Firuze just to protect his mother, and due to this Firuze completely break down. Also, Firuze father gets arrested in a case in which he is not guilty. So to prove her father innocent, she joins her father company where she meets Ayaz again and finds out that he is getting married to someone else, which shocks her completely. So you'll get to see their love-hate relationship. So it has love triangle and lot of jealousy scenes, and it has a very beautiful happy ending. And now comes the last one, which is Aynedaki Yabancı, one of the recent popular Turkish series. In this series, you'll get to see Azra, who is married to a rich businessman, Emirhan. She doesn't want to live with him anymore because she saw something in her home basement which shocked her completely. So to get back her daughter from Emirhan, she changes her identity with the help of successful plastic surgeon Barish. But due to this, she loses her memory. Even she doesn't know who is she. And this series will keep you hooked with lot of suspense. So it has love triangle romance and you'll enjoy watching this one. So happy watching!